Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today, we're stepping into the next frontier of immersive content with what might be DJI's most groundbreaking innovation in recent memory, the rumored DJI Osmo 360. With insider leaks, FCC filings, and sneak peeks spreading across the web, it's clear DJI is preparing to disrupt the 360-degree camera space in a serious way. This isn't just an incremental upgrade to an existing product. It could be DJI's first major challenge to Insta360 and GoPro in the battle for spherical video dominance. A glimpse into what's coming. Hey, if you caught that mysterious clip that's been making the rounds online, it features a device believed to be the Osmo 360 being casually showcased in public. The clip, although seemingly spontaneous, appears intentionally orchestrated. The subject is perfectly framed, lighting is professional, and the gadget is prominently featured. All signs point to a planned marketing tease rather than an accidental reveal. Excitement grew even more when a high-resolution image of the device began circulating. Soon after, trusted DJI insider Jasper Ellens hinted that the Osmo 360 is on track for a launch on July 15, 2025. According to Ellens, internal footage of the device shows image quality that surpasses the Insta360 X5, a lofty claim that's sure to turn heads in the 360 camera market. From speculation to reality, not long ago, rumors suggested that DJI had shelved the Osmo 360 project altogether. Even prominent sources believed development had ceased. But recent FCC certifications, tear-down photos, and internal leaks have completely flipped that narrative. Not only is DJI proceeding with the Osmo 360, but the latest evidence points to a nearly finished product that could go toe-to-toe with the industry leaders. Initial references to the device were spotted in late 2024. Things then went quiet until mid-2025, when regulatory filings reignited interest. The appearance of device schematics, part numbers, and a leaked manual confirms that DJI never quit. They just perfected the design behind closed doors. Engineering magic. Compact yet powerful. What really sets the Osmo 360 apart is its smart use of space. Based on recent teardown leaks, the camera incorporates a 45-degree mirror system, a sophisticated method to bend light toward internal sensors without requiring extra bulk. It's similar to tech used in the Insta360 X3, but appears to be implemented in a sleeker, more compact form. The Osmo 360 reportedly adopts a form factor that closely resembles the GoPro Max. Slightly rounded edges, dual-lens domes, and a vertical build. There's a touchscreen and tactile control buttons for ease of use, though some early testers have noted that the screen might be on the smaller side. Key specs and features based on internal documentation and FCC breakdowns. Here are the rumored specifications, fully compatible with the DJI Mimo app. 1,950 mAh battery capacity as C fast charging at 3 OBA Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, built-in touchscreen and physical interface, multiple microphones for immersive spatial audio support for modular or magnetic accessories. The camera is codenamed OQ1 and registered under DJI's SC DJI Osmo Technologies. Two external antennas are clearly visible, suggesting enhanced wireless performance, potentially for live streaming, real-time preview, or file transfers on the go. How it stacks up against the competition. From everything we've seen, the Osmo 360 could be a serious contender against the Insta360 X5, X4, and the rumored GoPro Max 2. In fact, early impressions indicate that it may offer better portability and superior image processing, while remaining more compact than both Insta360s and GoPro's bulkier builds. However, some users have pointed out the lack of obvious mounting points. Unlike Insta360's invisible selfie stick feature, it's unclear how DJI plans to integrate similar accessories, though given their track record, a proprietary mounting solution is probably in the works. Dual camera strategy. Interestingly, DJI may be preparing for a dual release strategy alongside the Osmo 360. The company is also developing the Osmo Action 6, which recently had its confidentiality status lifted on the FCC site. Render leaks reveal a mystery module beneath the display and separate battery configurations, one at 1,770 mAh and the other at 1,950 mAh. This opens the door to two possible versions, a standard Action 6 for everyday users and a high-end Pro variant for creators. The Pro model could bring improvements like advanced stabilization, better HDR performance, and 4K+ resolution at higher frame rates. Given that the Action 5 Pro was well received for its compact design and vivid colors, yet lacked in low-light performance, the Action 6 may fix those shortcomings and pair perfectly with the Osmo 360 for content creators who want both traditional and immersive footage. Launch timing and market impactful signs suggest that DJI is eyeing a July 15, 2025 launch, right? In line with their historical pattern of product release timelines. DJI typically reveals products 60 to 90 days after FCC registration, making a mid-July release highly plausible. Positioning the launch just before the back-to-school and holiday seasons also makes perfect sense. Summer is peak time for travel, vlogging, and adventure filming, and that's where 360 cameras shine. Is DJI late to the party? While DJI is a newcomer to the dedicated 360 camera space, they're far from inexperienced. Their expertise in image stabilization, drone cameras, and compact optics gives them a distinct advantage. The real challenge will be drawing users away from Insta360 and GoPro, which already offer mature ecosystems with extensive accessories and proven software. But if DJI delivers on image quality, form factor, and connectivity, they might not just enter the 360 camera market, they could redefine it entirely. Final words, so now it's over to you. The technology and the future community. Does the Osmo 360 look like the kind of gear you'd use? Are you ready to ditch Insta360 or GoPro if DJI delivers something truly game-changing? Let's talk in the comments. I'll be replying to the top questions and ideas. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a deep dive on the latest in creative tech, cameras, drones, and beyond. Until next time, this is Technology in the Future, giving you tomorrow's Tech Today.